congratulations. Thanks
Thank
for
you, sir.
clearing your technical and how you are feeling.
Good, sir. I feel like after attending this interview, I feel some confidence in myself, and then I can crack any other interviews also. So I learned some knowledge, and then okay, sir.
Yeah, could you please share your experience before workshop and after IT workshop?
Yes, sir, sure. Before I workshop, I don't have any idea about. I know about software, but I don't have any idea about how it works, how the backend will work, and what are the roles in that and environments. But after attending it, I learned so many things: roles, environments, application, everything. I have some idea. Right now, I have some idea. And even before attending this, I have little bit confusion about my career, like which path should I choose, either IT sector or government job, like that. But after attending it, I have some idea what to choose and how will be the software, how will my life if I select software. I got everything.
Yeah, how much of knowledge are gained from the Techqflow software solutions? Could you please explain?
Yes, I learned so many things. I learned so many new things. I absolutely I learned everything whatever happens in software.
Could you please share your experience to our audience and your
Yeah.
friends?
So actually, this is very good. This conducting workshop. It is very nice. It is useful to the freshers as we are. So as we are freshers, we don't have any idea about the IT sector. But after this workshop, we can learn. So I recommend that everyone should attend this to gain some knowledge, and it will be useful for their career.
Yeah. Thank you so much,
Thanks.
I hope you all are